Howdy guys, quick update on the old Edge 330. I got a feeling I'm pretty much handy there with the gluing, sorry. I think she's done. Well, as good as she's going to get anyway. Still needs a bit of drying, but I think we'll class that one as in the bag. Give you a quick rundown. So basically from what you've seen before, I've added the tray in the bottom there. I've put a extra piece which is part of the original inner piece to mount the rudder servo and to give the screws a bit of extra bite. Patch these sides in, a bit of sanding needed around these areas, but I do believe that's come out quite well. Let's see the inside. It's looking quite tidy. I've got to cut some little holes, cut these bits out here because that's where the wing nuts go on to hold the wings on. So I've got to sort something out with that, but that shouldn't be too much of a problem. You can see still some of the glue needs drying a little bit, but I think we are there with the gluing. So fingers crossed. We'll solar film it up. I'm two minds about doing the carbon, mainly because I'll have to take all the solar film off all the sides when I've got a very limited amount of carbon. Got loads of carbon, very limited amount of solar film left. And if I take it off, there's a fair chance I'm not going to have enough to go back on. In fact, at the moment it's going to be a bit of a patchwork quilt, so I think I'll leave that for now. I've got this extra big piece down the middle, should give it loads of strength, and I'll chuck some extra glue in around the top here if I put the solar film on. Anyway, ciao for now. I'll catch you on the solar filming. Hi guys, just halfway through doing the silver on the solar film. Not brilliant, but I'm certainly no expert at solar filming. There's plenty of other people on YouTube to sort that out. Basically, I just haven't got the patience to do it super duper quality, but it's good enough for me. The only problem I have found, I don't know if you can see that over there, where the balsa, where the solar film is tightened, is actually bowing the balsa strips. So I don't know obviously balsa's probably wasn't the very best thing to use, so it should have been sort of pine or something, but live and learn. I ain't gonna worry about it too much. To be fair, it's the bottom. It's probably not going to last too long anyway with my flying, but we'll see how it goes. It certainly looks better than it did when it's in two pieces, so I can carry on. But it's a little bit back, this little bit on silver at the back to do, and then the red stripe. Cut the wheel holes, put the wheels back on, internals, stuff like that. But anyway, see you later. Howdy guys, right, the final, this is I've I'll keep saying, fucking laminate. I've solar filmed the repairs, the colour match, well basically colour match is crap, but I think the original red has faded quite a lot, which obviously red does fade quite a bit. And the red I've put on is quite a darn sight darker, so I think it stands up like a sore thumb. The grey's not too bad, better, but it's not perfect. Just grab you. So you can see down the sides, the red colour match is complete bollocks. That one there hasn't. I've got to go over that again because that hasn't stuck down very well. Need to go over that with the iron again. Because there as well, but it's not too bad. It's certainly doable. It certainly is in one piece. Yeah, the colour match is rubbish, but like I say, when it's going past you inverted 3 foot off the ground, I ain't really going to worry about it. get the canopy off. So what I've done inside, needs a good hoover, cobwebs and stuff in there, but yeah, new base plate's working well. So like I said in the last video, we've got to nip out those corners because that's where the wing bolts, so a couple of little wing nuts you got to get on, and then we've got the rudder wires go up to there somewhere. They weren't tangled up, and that should be that pinhole is marked where I think the centre of the servo horn should be. So the next bit is electrics, I suppose. Get the motor fitted, get the cobwebs out of that thing, get that monster of a motor put on the front. So all in all, things are going well. If you made it this far, do appreciate you watching my videos. As you can probably tell, I'm doing it just for fun. And there we are. So waiting for a few bits to turn up. Wing spar turned up today from a company off eBay. Sold as a 30mm tube, outside diameter. But the complete tossers, metalshop.co.uk, they've sent me a 30mm internal diameter. So they're it's a complete toss, it doesn't fit. So that's one bit of a problem I've got to sort out. But I got no servos yet. They're still on order. And what else have I got to do? Motor mount's got to go in. ESC. Try and work out where the CAG was. Haven't got no idea. Probably going to need a lot of lead in the front. But yeah, we'll have to basically see how it goes. So hopefully the next instalment will be electrics. Ciao for now.